Whoa! This is a waterfall. It's like about a 3-minute walk, 4-minute walk from our house, if that. Yeah, likes and comments at the end of the video, and subscribe as well. Awesome! It's only a small waterfall, but it's really nice. It's just a couple of minutes from our house. And the forests and lakes as well.
Yeah, and the waterfall's very noisy.
Very.
And I mean very noisy.
And it carries on across here.
Yeah, it carries on across here, guys.
And down that way. The river, there's another river comes off that way. It's cool as well.
Yeah.
It like zigzags through all the
rocks.
rocks.
Look how deep it is, sis. Yeah. It's so deep, guys. I agree with what sis said. It's very deep.
What? What you got to say?
Deep. If you have these LOLs, let us know in the comments below.
Yes, if you like LOL or you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Awesome.
Comment, like I said, comment if you have these 2 LOLs and keep it chill.
Okay.
I think we've got the video there, but we're going to get the future quickly. Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys!
Goodbye from Forest in the north of Scotland.
Bye bye guys! Bye bye guys! Bye bye guys! Bye bye bye!
Bye bye!
Bye bye guys!
Bye.
Bye bye guys!